Strap in and get ready to meet the kings of the crop, the biggest, baddest combine harvesters on the planet. These titanic machines devour fields in a single gulp, wielding cutting-edge tech and Herculean horsepower. Buckle up as we explore the most mind-blowing mega combines in existence. In the world of combine harvesters, size and power matter. The Case IH AF11 is a true powerhouse, boasting an impressive 775 horsepower engine that delivers unmatched performance in the field. With its advanced threshing system and spacious grain tank, this machine is designed to tackle even the toughest harvesting challenges with ease. The Fendt Ideal 10T is another behemoth, setting new standards in terms of power, efficiency, and innovation. With its massive 790 horsepower engine and advanced threshing system, the Ideal 10T is capable of harvesting up to 100 tons of grain per hour, making it one of the most productive machines on the market. Not to be outdone, the CLAAS Lexion 8900 is a true giant in its own right. This impressive machine features a 790 horsepower engine and a massive grain tank capacity of 18,000 liters, making it capable of handling the toughest harvesting conditions with ease. The Fendt 5275 CSL is another top-of-the-line machine that combines power, precision, and innovation. With its 779 horsepower engine and advanced threshing system, the 5275 CSL can harvest up to 100 tons of grain per hour, making it one of the most productive combines on the market. Its cutting-edge features, such as the Fendt Ideal drive joystick and Ideal balanced self-leveling system, ensure optimal performance and unmatched operator comfort. Introducing the new Holland CR11, a combine harvester that sets new standards in terms of power, efficiency, and productivity. The Trebing T1000 is a true game-changer with its innovative design and unmatched performance. Boasting an 800 horsepower engine and a massive 1,000 bushel grain tank, the T1000 is capable of harvesting up to 200 acres per day. Its unique design, featuring a 35-foot cutting header and a 500-gallon diesel tank, allows for non-stop harvesting and unloading on the go. The new Holland CR10.90 is another top-of-the-line combine that combines power, precision, and innovation. John Deere's X9 series is a line of revolutionary combine harvesters that set new standards in power, efficiency, and innovation. The X9 1000 and X9 1100 models feature engines ranging from 690 to 750 horsepower, capable of harvesting up to 100 tons of grain per hour. Their cutting-edge features, such as the ProDrive transmission and Harvest Smart automation system, ensure optimal performance and unmatched operator comfort. The Case IH 9250 Axial-Flow is a powerful and efficient combine harvester that delivers exceptional performance in the field. With its 634 horsepower engine and advanced Axial-Flow threshing system, the 9250 is capable of harvesting up to 80 tons of grain per hour, making it one of the most productive machines in its class. The Case IH 9250, with its 650 horsepower engine, is another top-of-the-line machine that can harvest up to 85 tons of grain per hour. Massey Ferguson's Ideal 9T is a revolutionary combine harvester that sets new standards in power, efficiency, and innovation. Its impressive 647 horsepower engine and advanced threshing system allow the Ideal-9T to harvest up to 90 tons of grain per hour, making it one of the most productive machines on the market. In Eastern Europe, the Polessi GS16 is a powerful and efficient combine harvester that delivers exceptional performance. The Rostselmash Torum 785, a top-of-the-line combine harvester from Russia, combines power, precision, and innovation. Its 520 horsepower engine and advanced rotary threshing system enable the Torum 785 to harvest up to 65 tons of grain per hour, making it one of the most productive machines in its class. The Case Axial-Flow 150 is a modern and powerful Axial-Flow combine harvester that delivers exceptional performance in the field. With its advanced threshing system and spacious grain tank, the Axial-Flow 150 is capable of harvesting large quantities of grain quickly and efficiently. While the giants of the harvesting world are impressive, there are also smaller and more versatile combine harvesters that cater to the needs of medium and small-scale farmers. The Fendt X Series 9470, for example, is a powerful and efficient machine that delivers exceptional performance. With its 510 horsepower engine and advanced threshing system, the 9470 can harvest up to 60 tons of grain per hour, making it one of the most productive machines in its class. The versatile RT490 is another top-of-the-line combine harvester that combines power, precision, and innovation. Its 490 horsepower engine and advanced threshing system enable the RT490 to harvest up to 55 tons of grain per hour, making it an ideal choice for medium-scale farmers. The Gleaner S98 is a powerful and efficient combine harvester that delivers exceptional performance in the field. With its 550 horsepower engine and advanced threshing system, the S98 can harvest up to 65 tons of grain per hour, making it one of the most productive machines in its class. The Commia C242 Roto is a top-of-the-line combine harvester that combines power, precision, and innovation. Its 550 horsepower engine and advanced rotary threshing system allow the C242 Roto to harvest up to 65 tons of grain per hour, making it an ideal choice for medium and large-scale farmers. The Oxbo 8840 is another powerful and efficient combine harvester that delivers exceptional performance. The Deutz-Fahr 9000 306TS is a top-of-the-line combine harvester that combines power, precision, and innovation. Its 600 horsepower engine and advanced twin-rotor threshing system enable the C9000 306TS to harvest up to 70 tons of grain per hour, making it one of the most productive machines on the market. The Torum 785 is a powerful and efficient combine harvester that delivers exceptional performance in the field. For smaller farms, the new Holland Cazin 8060 is a reliable and efficient choice. Its 116 horsepower engine and advanced threshing system allow the Cazin 8060 to harvest up to 20 tons of grain per hour. This combine continues to deliver reliable performance in the field, making it an ideal choice for small to medium-sized farms. The Deutz-Fahr C9300 is a powerful and efficient combine harvester that delivers exceptional performance. With its 395 horsepower engine and advanced threshing system, the C9300 can harvest up to 45 tons of grain per hour, making it an ideal choice for medium-sized farms. The Deutz-Fahr Series C9000 is a line of powerful and efficient combine harvesters that deliver exceptional performance in the field, with multiple models offering a range of power options in the mid to high range. The Series C9000 is capable of harvesting large quantities of grain quickly and efficiently. The Rostselmash Torum 585 is a reliable and efficient combine harvester that delivers exceptional performance. With its mid-range power output and advanced threshing system, the Torum 585 is capable of harvesting large quantities of grain quickly and efficiently. The Gleaner S97 is a powerful and efficient combine harvester that delivers exceptional performance in the field. From the mighty Case IH AF11 and Fendt Ideal 10T to the versatile Gleaner S97 and the classic Minneapolis Moline combine, the world of combine harvesters is diverse and impressive. These machines have revolutionized the way we harvest crops, allowing farmers to work more efficiently and effectively than ever before. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more impressive and capable combine harvesters in the future. Whether it's through increased power, improved efficiency, or innovative new features, these machines will continue to push the boundaries of what's possible in the world of agriculture. However, it's not just about size and power. The future of combine harvesters may also lie in smaller, smarter, and more precise machines. With the increasing focus on sustainable farming practices and the need to maximize yields while minimizing waste, we may see a shift towards more specialized and adaptable combines that can handle a wide range of crops and conditions. Regardless of what the future holds, one thing is certain: combine harvesters will continue to play a vital role in feeding the world's growing population. From the vast fields of North America to the smaller farms of Europe and beyond, these incredible machines will be there, working tirelessly to ensure that we have the food we need to thrive. So the next time you see a combine harvester in action, take a moment to appreciate the power, precision, and innovation that goes into these remarkable machines. They may come in all shapes and sizes, but they all share one common goal: to help farmers feed the world one harvest at a time.